It's time to have a look at the industry that's going to shape our future world. It's not blockchain, nor VR or electric cars. The 3D printing industry is growing at a very high pace and will soon disrupt our world as we know it. But how can we define 3D printing? How does it work and why this technology is becoming so popular? 3D printing is a process for making a physical object from a three-dimensional digital model, typically by laying down many successive thin layers of a material. It brings a digital object into its physical form by adding layer by layer of materials. Think of an object, no matter how complex. Almost anything you can model on a computer, you can print in 3 dimensions, as simple as that. In this introductory course, we are going to teach you something about what it is, history, how does it work, and the future of 3D printing. At the end of this course, you will have a better understanding of why 3D printing has great importance in the future world. Hold on guys, we are moving to the new era of manufacturing. Get ready to take action. We have a lot to learn.